I want freedom. I want freedom. Madam Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters and guests. We require freedom. Freedom from what? Day-to-day worries, tensions. Now, how does this come into being? How does this erupt? These tensions come into being because of our psychological state, because of bad psychological state. Now, the psychological state, it's come into being because of feeling of dissatisfaction. The feeling of dissatisfaction with ourselves in various areas, like number one, financial. I am not able to give a lifestyle that I want to give to my family. I don't have money. Second is time. I don't have time for my family, for my friends, and most important for myself. I am too busy. These two I term as the basic things that is required. And third is the feeling of creativity. We all want to create something in this world. We all want to give back. That is another level where we want to go. And that if we don't achieve that, we feel that we haven't done anything. Now today I am going to give my perspective on how to tame this feeling of dissatisfaction. Now today I am going to show you a small thing. Like all of us start our career in 20s. Like suppose we start our career at 25. We all have high dreams. Like this will be my dream. I will have this kind of lifestyle, this kind of family. So we prepare something like this is my target, where I will be, where I am going to be. But what we do in reality, like suppose for me, I have a dream. I will have a bungalow in Anandnagar. I will have a Mercedes Benz that I will drive. My children will go to the world class school. But what I do in reality, I go and take the easiest way that is available. Join any corporate. So what does that happen? Corporate, it's like a smooth road that sails like this. But where is it going? Is it going towards my dream or it's going towards somewhere else? Definitely it's going towards somewhere else. And I am happy that okay, I am going. And in the anticipation that somewhere a miracle will happen and I will go towards my dream will be achieved. And that's why as I move forward, I am getting more and more dissatisfied. Here we are at 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. Beyond which we don't have anything. Now at this point of time we think my time is gone, even my finance is gone. And so we get dissatisfied with life. Now there is another way. If I have a dream, the best way is chart your own way. Forget about what is there in the world. Make your own way. Make your own way, that means there is no road. You have to make a free fall from here. There is a wilderness and you have to move. So you chart your journey like this. Now you get into this, then you slowly find that there is a field that is coming. So you are getting a way, small way that from where you can proceed. As you proceed more, you find that there is a kacha road that is coming. Then as you move forward, you will find that you are getting a pakka road, and then finally you get a super highway. And I am putting it like this. This becomes a highway. This becomes a pakka road, then kacha road. Now the best example that I can give for this, suppose you have a super car. It has engines and that can make it run at a speed of 1000 kilometers per hour. Now can you run it? If it is Chennai, you have a Mount Road, 3x3 highway. Can we run it? We can run at 250 kilometers. But would the circumstances allow us? It will depend upon two things. Number one, the road on which we are traveling. Second is the traffic. Now if this is like a Mount Road, clearly laid down 3x3 most visible, everybody is going, so that we all find it easy to move. The second is, we take this one. If we take this route, it's like we are taking out this car into a jungle. What is the first thing going to happen? The tire will go burst. It will get scratches. But the good thing is, this car will become more and more resistant to this. And as it moves forward, it will be going at a high speed. And once it comes here you will moving at 2 km/h. Here you will moving at 30, 50, 200. Now stage will come where you can achieve 1000 km/h. So, which is the way you want to take? We can take small steps, like first of all, introspect yourself, where you want to be, what's your dreams. First settle out this. Then visualize this, that this is my dream and this I have to achieve in my lifetime. And then take a free fall. Commit to it. Take all actions in a way that leads you to this. Now, all of us know where the freedom lies. So are we ready to take a jump? There is a fear, but let me assure, believe in yourself, you don't die of hunger. I have a small chart that I prepared. Because of lighting you won't be able to see it properly, but see, these are the people. You all recognize them. They all have started with somewhere. They were not having the luxury to start, but still they were able to. They are now the biggest in their fields, but they started with zero by taking a free fall. They all have a history behind themselves. Surely there will be pain, but that pain is worth. It's like a mother delivering a child. It's a pain, but at the end, it's worth. Thank you.